Okay, one more note. This is kind of interesting that on April 18th, 2014, this guy here is a really deep low pressure, and it's moving quickly to the east. And if we look at the pressure map, we can see this is a nice, powerful low pressure. If this moves on into Canada and the West Coast, it is going to bring a ton of rain. So what they've done, they are now putting chemtrails here so that the small harp can reach all the way up there, and chemtrails right here so that even though it was at daybreak, the big harp can sap it and create falling air on top of it. So they're putting chemtrails heavy here so they can harp from Gakona right on top of this, create falling air, create the harp downburst. And likewise, the midpoint between the transmitter and the destination, they're harping here. Let me show you where this is. So this is significant because this is a big mama. This would just drench the entire farm belt of America. And boy, they cannot allow that. So we're seeing heavy, the big mega chemtrails up here, and this would have been before daybreak. This has been an all-night operation. This is an emergency. They got to kill this powerful low pressure before it gets on land. So let's look at these chemtrails up here. And I don't have any contrast tools right now, so we can see these big chemtrails here, 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 here. And they're actually rotating with the low, or the jet stream is dragging them east. But since they're not in public view, they don't care about how quickly they disperse, as far as being perpendicular to the jet stream. Anyway, those are big chemtrails, and that is so they can heat the ionosphere here, create falling air, and destroy the energy of this low pressure here. Here's the other chemtrail reflector surface that they built overnight. This was done overnight. So it's halfway between the transmitter and the desired heating area. So they are now using both harps to kill this low pressure. And like I said on this map here, that is a nice, powerful storm system here. Lovely. Gosh, if the farmers could just get that, what wheat was not killed by the blast from the Arctic Circle 2 days ago, would make a crop. So we're gonna watch this. This will be killed, almost completely destroyed before it goes on land, and then right ahead of it, they'll chemtrail the hell out of it. Mark my words, I've seen this like a dozen times, okay? I mean, we're dealing with Al Capone. This is not some real creative entity here. They're predictable. They do the same damn thing over and over. Okay, so this is moving so fast. That's why they've got this crisis. And an interesting thing is, for some reason, they're not photoshopping this right now. How odd is this? They'll Photoshop it in some wavelengths and they won't in others. It's just weird. Or maybe they're getting so good that what looks like not photoshopped is actually a layer from a few days ago when they're not transmitting. Anyway, I think that's interesting. Thank you.